In this video, we will learn how to fix Fortnite crash on PC. In order to fix Fortnite crashing issue in your PC, firstly we'll need to open up Epic. So from the search panel of Windows, type in Epic Games Launcher. Then click on Open. After your Epic Games Launcher is open, go to your library. From here, search for Fortnite. Now right click on Fortnite and click on Manage. From here click on the Verify Files button. So after your files have been verified, right click on Fortnite again, go to Manage again, and under the Installation tab, click on this folder button. Now after the folder has been opened, go to Fortnite game, binaries, Win64. From here scroll down until you find Fortnite Win64 shipping.exe, right click on it, go to properties. From here select compatibility. Now check disable full screen optimization as well as run this program as an administrator. Now click on apply and OK. Now exit and minimize your Epic Games. Now you need to make sure that your graphics drivers are updated as well. So from the hidden tray icon, right click on the NVIDIA settings button, then open NVIDIA app. After the NVIDIA app has opened, go to the driver section from here. And make sure that your graphics drivers are up to date. So it will say up to date on the top left hand side. If it's not, just click on the install button from here and it will install the latest drivers in your PC. After you have changed these settings, Fortnite should run without any crashes. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.